This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
State Society on the Implementation of Rehabilitation of Persons with Disabilities kalaraki yak jingdap arpusan Snem jongka haka sautrek unai tung araja arpusan padyakani ka program laraki pan pen kop bor shu iki badan jingnona department balakot penoi kani daga State Resource Center on Disability Affairs SRCDA Civil Hospital Shillong hagani ka sngi haka jingraki ka balapen long ha ususo tham auditorium layadan lang do ba pol lingdo menteri break mi yakatanat social welfare ka sarkar jilla kum ukongsan Upravin Bakshi IAS Commissioner but Secretary katanat kum usembut kongsan but kiwe pan uba pol ula yo ban plat pat ba ru ya ka disability anthem music video ka pala ai kerteng Echoes of Unity pala ruai bat tem da ka Kynhun Eastern Brook Band ka Kynhun tem bat ruai da ki bam Ïohi ki Khmat haswa kani la yo ya ka jingkran no ruai kani ka Kynhun uba wan lam nong klau.
We don't just play music, we carry it in our soul, we live it in our bones, and today we give to you a song that speaks not only from us but for us all. Our new release, Echoes of Unity, is not just a song, it's a call to conscience. It is a cry and recognition, a spark of inclusion, a celebration of talent that refuses to be boxed in by disability. This song is born from our lived experiences, from our struggles, our hopes, and above all, our burning passion to be heard and valued. The idea behind this song is rooted in one truth. Music belongs to everyone. No matter your ability, your background or your challenges, your voice matters. Echoes of Unity is a sound that carries across barriers. It's about finding strength in our differences and standing together in solidarity. Through the song, we speak in many voices, from many places, but all in one spirit. To every friend, every supporter, every believer, your names may not all be spoken today, but your fingerprints are all over this project. You know who you are. This is your song too. Echoes of Unity is a beginning, a declaration of fire. Let this be the moment that changes how we listen. Let this be the moment that awakens hearts. Let this be the moment that echoes across barriers, borders, and beliefs. Kasur kan yeng, kasur kan im. The voice will stand, the voice will live. Thank you. Let the unity echo. Let the fire rise.
Bakrana kene ka Sngi wa polling do ula ai Jingrwai ya kene ka Kynhun tam bat ong ba day ban iben ne nyo ben ya ki baduna de Khmat namar ba kini ru ki download ya ki ba ka perthai kamla ban Ïohi. Ula ong ru ba ki dan ki brio ki ba byang lot na dong shadong Henry kim la bon wan ra ya ka jingkala ka perthai ki don ya ka Khmat Henry kim don ya ka Ïohi jingai ki don ya ki score Henry kim sngam na lor ki we de ki jingduna ha ka jing imbrio.
We all have been mesmerized by the music of Eastern Group Band, and I'm sure that once this song is watched, the video is watched across the world through our OTT platform, Meghalaya, the only state government sponsored OTT platform in India. The group as a band will come to occupy the place where Lord Tennyson had mentioned in his poem, "For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever." Let that song, let the anthem go on forever. We are here to support musicians as a tourism department, and more especially when it comes to those persons with disabilities. It would be my profuse pleasure to offer them all kinds of support, including facilitating their tours outside Meghalaya to musical destinations elsewhere in the country and probably even abroad. We are here to back you up. We're here to prove to the rest of the country that when it comes to Meghalaya, we do not treat persons with disabilities like somebody we feel sympathy for. No, we go beyond sympathy and feel empathy for them. Helen Keller was also born visually impaired, and in one of her speeches, she said, "One can have eyes and eyesight, but may not have vision." Helen Keller had no eyesight, but she had vision, and therefore pioneered for the rights of the underprivileged, for the rights of women, and was also a prolific writer. I have always said, and I'd like to repeat myself, that people with disabilities are actually people who have everything but make no difference to the world. There are a lot of people with perfect eyesight but no vision. Perfect ears, they only hear, they do not listen. Perfect hands, they only raise one finger to point fingers. The government is doing wrong here, traffic department there, SMB there. Use those two hands to touch lives. 2 feet that move everywhere except ahead. Let's therefore change the discourse. Consider where we are disabled. Make all efforts to cure our own disabilities, and then we can empathize more with those who are actually physically incapacitated through their impairment in sight, sound, or in other forms.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.